My ting, here we go.
With the transfer of his cremains, some got into the cardboard box as well, and they spilled out on my hands. And I didn't want to wipe them off because that's my husband. I don't want to wipe him away. So I just licked it off my fingers and.
Guys, me trying to set up, like, the way this camera is set up, it's just like the worst thing in the world to try and make sure it's focused and stuff. I hope it's focused on me. Is it focused on me? What? Hang about. Alright, so yeah, we found it. Alright guys, so we found the video. We just found the video. So what's up guys, it's your boy AJS, and I want to just thank every single person that's tuned into this video. I did make another video yesterday. I'm going to try my best to actually make more videos because I do actually love making videos. It's just I'm very, very lazy. Oh, my lips greasy, I feel like I'm gonna spoon. Anyway, so I do love making videos. It's just I'm very, very lazy when it comes to editing, and I don't really like editing at all. But anyway, today I brought you guys a whole new video again. This one's weirder than the last one. This is a woman that is addicted to eating her husband's ashes. Now, I want to know how long the addiction can last, first of all. I know it's a very, very weird kind of thing to be like, oh, so, you eat your husband's ashes and you're like totally addicted to it. So the first question that comes out of your mouth is, how long can it last? I mean, I just want to know, how long can the addiction last? Do you know what? Let's get into the video. Let's see what's good. And then, yeah. Hold on, let me turn up this blood clot.
Tennessee.
There we go.
And I'm addicted to carrying around my husband's urn.
Carrying? I thought you said eating.
I take my husband everywhere. To the grocery store.
My ting.
Ooh, babe, look at that. That's neat.
My ting.
Out to eat.
My ting.
Anywhere I go, he goes. I sleep with him. Like, baby, I love him. When I go grocery shopping, I buy the foods that he likes. When I cook what he likes. I don't eat it, but I cook for him. If I'm watching TV, he's there with me. You want to watch this? If somebody says, hey, who is that? I'm like, oh, this is my husband. Some people laugh. They think I'm playing, but it's serious. It's my husband.
Casey and Shawn were married in 2009 after dating for 10 months.
So hang on.
Everything I had ever.
I hope to hell they didn't just clickbait me. I hope I didn't get clickbaited because, yeah.
Wanting the man was right in front of me, and it felt so great.
They fell in love and was soulmates from day one. The 2.5 years that they were together, I think, was the only time Casey was truly, truly happy.
Their marriage was picture perfect until Shawn suffered a severe asthma attack 2 months ago.
The doctor came in, and the look on his face was telltale. It was the day my world stopped turning. The day my life fell apart. Oh, baby, I miss you.
Though Casey initially found...
See, look, I can completely understand like the whole trauma of it because obviously it was not that long ago. But I need to see the part where she starts eating the ashes because
comfort by having her husband's ashes at her side. Her addiction has recently evolved.
my ting, here we go.
With the transfer of his cremains, some got into the cardboard box as well, and they spilled out on my hands. And I didn't want to wipe them off because that's my husband. I don't want to wipe him away. So I just licked it off my fingers, and here I am today, almost 2 months later, and I can't stop. I'm eating my husband. First I lick my finger, and I don't just dip it in, I swirl around to kind of feel and get it caked on there good. And then I just eat it.
Bro.
tastes like rotten eggs, sand, and sandpaper. But I've grown to love that taste. It started as not wanting to get rid of him.
Oh my god. Wow. What kind of bumper clock this is, because it's...
And it's progressed into eating him. Plus
Wow.
since my husband passed away.
You're not even gonna put no sauce on
The
that.
only thing I'm eating are his ashes.
Casey eats her husband's ashes 5 to 6 times a day.
Oh.
When I open up the urn, I get a sense of
5 to 6 times a day.
It's like an adrenaline rush for me.
She out here double dipping and all sorts.
The more excited I get until I realize that
She's treating him like he's finger licking. Oh my, she's treating him like he's chicken. She says,
I feel horrible because I did it. When I got Shawn back from the crematory, he
Wow.
weighed 6 pounds. He is closer to 5 pounds now. So
wow, so you ate a whole pound. You ate a whole pound of your husband. Yo. So listen, when I say to people my side of the internet is mad, like I don't even know how the hell did I even come up to this? Do you know? That's what it was. So I was looking for the woman that I saw on Twitter that was eating the freaking deodorant stick, and then all of a sudden turns out to be fake. It was just chocolate, just clickbaity bullshit crap. And then I've actually come to something that's actually mad, and she's actually eating her husband's ashes. I am so confused. You know.
that's hard.
He used to be hard. That sounds... Okay, my bad.
Very few people know that Casey is eating her husband's ashes. She recently shared this secret with her mother.
My ting.
When Casey actually told me that she was eating Shawn's ashes, it was
You told her she's crazy! Whatever, I bet you crazy! You crazy. Don't touch me, don't cook my food, don't season nothing. Like, listen, can you imagine? She's out here cooking food, and every now and again she's looking for the seasoning in the top cupboard in a row somewhere. She just got a nice little bottle of like some secret spices or something like that she sprinkles into every bit of her meat. Can you? Oh my days. This is why you need to be careful when it comes to you eating at people's houses, because you don't know, they could be sprinkling dead people on your food. Bruh, yo, I'm just so confused. Like, I'm just, yo, alright.
like, I couldn't speak. I really couldn't do anything. I mean,
I'm
I
a
was just
pizza man,
frozen there.
shit. Bumba clock.
It makes me feel embarrassed, ashamed,
You should.
disgusted with myself,
Uh-huh.
confused,
My ting.
crazy.
100%.
It's a big one that pops into my
Uh-huh.
head. Gotta be a really sick person to eat someone's ashes.
It's panicking me and it's worrying me that she's losing reality even more.
My
I
ting.
need to help her get-
Yo, listen, the fact that she talks to the urn in general is just so baffling to me. Like this is trauma, like this is mad. Like, I can't even understand what kind of mind frame she's in, like, cause I don't understand, but, yo, alright. You know,
Knowing that a Panda's already gone.
I didn't want to eat no more.
That's the reason I need help.
That dry with some juice.
And I don't know if I'll be able to hold it together any better than I'm doing now. What am I going to do when I go to bed at night and there's just an urn there and there's nothing in it?
Martin, stop eating
But can
them.
Casey quit her addiction to eating her husband's ashes?
That's so biased, she's
Can her
double
family
dipping.
stop her before it's too late?
Just want her to stop eating the ashes. That's what I know from my daughter.
I have to stop eating him. I've lost him once. This time it'll be my fault that I lose him again. And I don't want to do that. And it's going to get to that point really soon if I don't get help.
Oh my god. Oh my
She
god.
wants to reveal the truth to her cousin Stefan.
But the internet is a wild place, you know. The internet is a wild place. Like, Yo, I don't know what to say. Ah, Chabamba Club.
And ask for help.
I'm feeling anxious a little bit. Nervous. I don't want to lose the trust that we have. I'm ready to tell her and I'm ready to
Monty.
get it out. I have something to tell you, Stephanie.
Oh no.
You ain't got to tell the world, you know.
Yeah, and I don't want you to get mad.
You can't just stop.
I really don't want you to push me away and not talk to me anymore. You know, I carry around Shawn.
Me pushing her away. Get away. Get away.
Everywhere. I've been eating his ashes. Like,
Look at her face! She did the... It's like...
I'm eating him, you know?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I don't know what to think about that.
Me either.
It is a kind of a little too much, maybe.
Probably.
I don't quite understand
A
why
little.
Casey would feel as far as eating the ashes would bring her closer to him.
Me either.
I don't understand that part. I don't understand why she would want to keep eating it.
So, like, when you're eating ashes, like, what's going through your mind at that moment?
It comforts me, and then I do it, and then it makes me sad because I'm slowly losing my husband again. And I'm so scared that I'm pretty close to the edge right now. And if I eat him, like all of him,
It may push you over.
it may push me over.
Right.
But then again, where's my comfort going to be? I don't want to be, oh, there's a little crazy lady that ate her husband. But it's comforting, you know.
But wait, I don't understand. Like, you do know you are the crazy lady that ate her husband. Like, you do get it, don't you? Okay. Okay. Okay.
6 pounds. And
Right.
now he's almost 5 pounds.
Right.
You know, and another 6 months, not even 6 months, you know, maybe 3 or 4 months from now.
My thing.
At the rate I'm going, he'll be gone.
Right.
Who am I going to hold at night? Who am I going to take with me everywhere?
Yeah.
Let me do the
What am I
maths on
gonna do
that.
to comfort myself then?
So she said 5 pounds, 3 to 4 months. That's 90 days. Divided by the 2, cross the T, dot the I, X, divided by number 1, exclusively by Y equals, damn! That's fucked up! Now, I don't know what you lot thought about that, but I just want to say nobody anywhere, ever, like at all, nobody. Anyway guys, if you like this video, definitely tune in, definitely like, share and subscribe, definitely comment down below. I'm gonna go and actually do some work and obviously try and get this edited and try and get it out today. If I don't get it out today, I'm probably gonna get it out tomorrow. And yeah, so peace.
If you need to know, trying to get you come over, you know.